Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a serious piece of aerial photography gear, a professional drone designed for creators who demand top-tier image quality and reliable performance. This isn't just any drone. It's equipped with a Hasselblad camera, which immediately tells you it means business in the optics department. The camera boasts a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant step up that captures incredible detail and handles challenging lighting conditions much better than smaller sensors. This means your photos and videos will have that professional look, with rich colors and sharp clarity. And speaking of video, this drone supports 4K HDR recording. Imagine capturing scenes with stunning dynamic range, where both the bright skies and the shadowed ground retain detail. The HDR capability ensures your footage looks incredibly lifelike and vibrant, perfect for cinematic shots or capturing breathtaking landscapes. One of the biggest frustrations with drones can be limited flight time, but this model addresses that head-on. It offers up to 31 minutes in the air. That extra time is crucial. It allows you to set up complex shots, explore further, or simply have more attempts at getting that perfect angle without constantly worrying about the battery level. It gives you more creative freedom up in the sky. For those longer flights and more ambitious shots, reliable transmission is key. This drone uses OcuSync 2.0 technology, providing a robust video feed up to 8 kilometers away. The system automatically switches frequencies in real time to maintain a stable connection, giving you confidence even when the drone is far out. You get a clear, real-time view of what the camera sees, which is essential for precise control and framing. Safety is paramount when flying, and this drone includes comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It can detect obstacles in multiple directions, adding a significant layer of safety during flight. This feature helps prevent collisions, giving pilots more peace of mind, especially when flying in complex environments or focusing on getting the shot. Considering its capabilities, like the advanced camera system, extended flight time, and smart safety features, it's clearly positioned as a tool for serious aerial work. It comes ready to go with essential components like propellers, control sticks, a battery, and a USB Type-C cable for connectivity. Its dimensions are roughly 8.43 by 3.3 by 3.58 inches, making it a substantial but manageable piece of equipment. This drone seems built to deliver professional results for adult users looking to elevate their aerial content.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.